Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss how to create a new drawing inside the project which we have created in the last session. Okay. So in last session we have seen how to create a project by using this tool, a new project. Now we are going to see how we can create a new drawing inside the project which we have created. Okay. After creation of project we have added two subfolders. Okay. Now I want to add a new drawing, or I want to create a drawing inside the schematic folder. So the very first step is to select the folder, then you have to right click on this. Okay, then you will find these options. So from these options I have to select new drawing. Either you can go this way, or there is one another way. First you should select the folder. Okay, then you have to bring your cursor over here inside the project manager. Here is a tool called as a new drawing. So if you click on this, it is taking us to this particular pop-up, or if you come from here it will take us to the same location. Okay, now here in create drawing we need to fill all these details. Okay, so they are categorized into three sections. The very first one is related to the drawing file information. Second is the project related stuff like ISC style designators, and we need to define the sheet value. So first of all I would like to define the name for this drawing. Let me define it as a demo dash 02. After that we should select a template which will have the previous settings, or you can say this kind of title block, then this border. Okay, so if that kind of stuff you would like to have already coming with the drawing, you can select the specific template. Okay, so AutoCAD electrical provides a plenty of template, but if you in future if you need to use your custom templates, you can create it and you can save it somewhere here, and then you can utilize it. So at this moment what we are going to do, we are going to select the default template given by AutoCAD electrical, that is AutoCAD electrical one, and just click on open. So I have selected the template, I have given the name for the drawing file, then I need to define the location where I want to save this particular drawing. So by default it is saving under this folder, right? Project demo project, right? So which is we have created at the time of creation of a project. Okay, so it is fine if we save this drawing to this particular folder. Okay, after that you need to define the description of this particular drawing file. Okay, in three lines we can provide the description. So let me define the description number one as a demo drawing. So this is a demo drawing, so I have given description as a demo drawing. Okay, after that we should define the IEC style designators, where you need to define the project code, installation code, and location code. So in project code I am giving a sample value as a project code dash 02. Installation code I am giving it as ISC dash underscore 02. For the location, LOC underscore 02. In case of install location code, what you can do, you can use historic values as well from the drawing or from the project. Okay, then sheet values. So in sheet values here we have to give the name, the number of this particular sheet. So currently this is the very first sheet, but I have already one inside this folder, so I'm going to give name the sheet number as a 2. If this particular sheet has a sections or subsections, that we can mention here. So currently in my drawing I don't have any section or subsection, so I leave them blank. Then I need to define the drawing number as well. So these are the part of drawing. Let's say DWG. I'm giving a sample a drawing number only. Okay, so don't consider this is the final one. So this is like depending upon the industry which you are working, so they will provide you what could be the drawing number, or you are going to define the drawing number based on their protocols. 12 /12 /12 /2024 dash 05. So after filling all these details, we have to come at the end, and here we are able to see there are two options. One is OK properties and another one is OK. So again, if we want to make some changes after copying this particular settings from the project, then you can go for OK properties. If we don't want to change any settings, by default settings which are there, then you can go for OK. Okay, so we are going to discuss properties at the end of this particular course. Yeah, so currently I'm going to click on OK. So once I click on OK, the new drawing will reflect here, named as a demo 02, and you can check it here. It is listed here, a demo 2. So this is how we can add a new drawing to a specific folder and a project. Yeah, thank you.